Okay, good morning. This is notebook day 2. Okay. Boat rental company offers 3 different plans. So you're going to have 3 different lines, 3 different equations. The full day plan, okay, charges a flat rate of $60. The hourly plan charges $10 for each hour of use. And the mixed rate plan charges an initial fee of $20 plus $5 for each hour of use. Okay, now we have our X and our Y. Our X is the number of hours used, and the Y is the total cost. Okay, so full day, flat rate of $60. So if I use it for 1 hour, it costs me $60. 2 hours, it costs me $60. 8 hours, it costs me $60. The hourly plan, $10 for each hour. Each means that's your slope. So Y is equal to 10 times X. Mixed rate charges you an initial fee, that's your y-intercept, plus $5 for each, that's your slope. Now we have our equations. For B, after how many hours will the hourly plan and the mixed rate plan cost the same? How long will the hourly and the mixed rate be the same? So set them equal to each other. Solve for X. So at 4 hours, the hourly and the mixed rate will be exactly the same. Now I want the y-intercept to find that point of intersection, so I'm actually going to take this and plug it in. Here it goes, plugged in. So it's really 10 times 4. So y is equal to 40, and my point is 440. So I know that the point of intersection is 4 hours, and it's going to cost them $40 on the hourly and the mixed rate. Okay, I'm moving down, and I'm going to graph my lines, labeling appropriately. My X, it tells me right here, my X is the number of hours. I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to count by ones, and I'm going to go to 15. Keep going if you want. Total cost. I need to look at my equations. I know I have to have a 60, but my max number is 60. So I could count by, probably not ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, maybe twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, no, I'm not going to make it there. How about fives? Okay, and I use an appropriate amount of the graph, and now I'm going to graph 3 lines. So I'm going to grab my red to graph full day, and it cost me $60 for 0 hours, $60 for 1 hour, $60 for 2 hours, for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, all the way in my horizontal line. And I'm going to label full day. I'm switching colors to hourly, which is blue in my case. And this, I might want to put a +0 here to remind myself that I actually start at 0, 0 as my y-intercept. And then I'm going to go to my point of intersection, 440. So instead of going up 10 over 1, which I absolutely could do because it's not in between, it's much easier, I could go to 440. Here's my point, and then I'm going to graph my line. Hi, Chris. And I'm going to label it hourly. And the mixed rate plan starts at $20 with a y-intercept of 20. goes through the same point of intersection. Here I go. So I only had to really draw 2 lines. If I wanted to, could I have used my slope of up 5/1? Yes, I could have. But do I have to? No. Then let's answer the question. The Smiths want to use the boat for 5 hours, and the Jones want to use it for about 10. Which plan should each family use? Okay, so I've got the Smith family, and they want to use it for 5 hours. And I've got the Jones family, and they want to use it for 10 hours. So I need to, by showing my work, justifying my answer, I need to look at each. Full day, how much is it going to cost me? Hourly, how much is it going to cost me? Mixed rate, how much is it going to cost me? The Jones family, I have to do the same thing. Full day, hourly, mixed rate. And figure out how much is it going to cost me for each of them. Then figure out which one I should use. So full day cost me $60. No matter how many hours I use it costs me $60. Hourly, this is y is equal to 10 times x, x is 5. So this is $50 for the Smith family. Mixed rate, my equation is 5x plus 20. So I have 5 times 5 plus 20. So I actually have $45. This is 25 plus that, 45. So the Smith family should use mixed rate. Now the Jones family, full day costs us $60. Hourly, if I want to use it for 10 hours. So this is y is equal to 10 times 10. It's going to cost them $100. So I definitely don't want to use that. Mixed rate, I'm going to do 5x plus 20. So this is 5 times 10 plus 20. This is 50 plus 20. This is $70. So what do they want to use? They actually want to use the full day. Okay, if you have questions, email me or come on to our Google Meet. See you later.